129, 130, 131.
129.
130, 131.
Okay.
134.
Okay.
136. 137, 138, 139, 140, and from there, everything.
Hey, everything. So I think once you get the hang of it, I think it will be done, no?
Like the questions were kind of similar, so.
Wait, that's what I was saying. Once I tell you one thing, you think it will be done, no?
Yeah.
Okay. 129 में क्या problem है? Log 2, 9 minus 2 raised to x is equal to 3 minus x. Correct?
Sir, why?
2, no?
So, but why? Why did you multiply it?
Why not?
Because we don't know if 3 minus 6 is negative or positive.
Hey, it's equality, not inequality.
Oh.
So अभी तक you thought it was inequality.
Oh.
That's what I was thinking. What happened to you? होता है कभी कभी हो जाता है. 9 minus 2 raised to x is equal to 2 into ऐसे आएगा ना?
हाँ.
I'll take 2 raised to, now you have done this type. 2 raised to x is t. So 9 minus t is equal to 8 by t. Quadratic है, solve करना है.
Okay.
So t square minus 9t is equal to minus 8t. Correct, no? 17t. So t is equal to 17 कैसे मिला मुझे? What is the answer? Is it weird answer 129?
I don't know.
Okay, 0 they are giving. Okay. So t is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Okay. Did I do anything mistake? You understood, no? Basically, what I did.
हाँ.
नहीं यहाँ पे 8 ही आएगा. हाँ, that's what I was thinking. Okay. So t square minus 9t plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. So t minus 8 and t minus 1 is equal to 0. So t is equal to 8 or t is equal to 1. Okay. So 2 raised to x is equal to 8 and 2 raised to x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3 or 0.
Then why can't it be 3? So 1 second.
Sometimes होता है कभी sometimes they miss some answers. But here I don't find the logic why they have missed 3. 0, okay, that is there. I agree. I think 3 is also fine.
Okay.
Yeah, it might be a mistake sometimes. Now you will retry or you can 130. Now you know how to do it now.
Yeah.
You can try. Or you want me to do this 130?
Can you do it?
Okay. Same thing, रे. Expand it. तो see अभी यहाँ पे 5 minus
5 minus
x square minus 2x plus 65 is equal to 2. You tell me what will you do?
5 minus x raised to 2.
Correct. वही है. No problem, ना? So I'll take it as x minus 5 because it's a even power, na? So 5 minus x or x minus 5 doesn't matter. 2x plus 65 is equal to x square minus 10x plus 25. X square cancel. 8x is equal to 8x because 10x minus 8 minus 40. Okay, x is equal to minus 5. तो -5 के लिए ये 25 ये पूरा पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. So no worries. If you put x is equal to -5 पूरा पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. Correct?
हाँ.
और ये 10 आ जाएगा. So I think that's the answer, ना? -5 is fine. Yeah, -5 is the answer. Like that you can do, no? Now?
Yeah, I did it till the first one, but then I was trying to do that the quadratic one. I didn't expand it.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now you can try 131 like that. Okay. Where you were not possible 136, 137 क्या type था वो? And 148 we have already done in class, huh? If you remember.
140.
140.
I didn't reach till there.
Okay.
137.
137. I think you can do 137. It's nothing big.
134. I got the answer, but I was also getting something else. Like I got the answer, and with that I was also getting something else. But I wasn't able to solve that something else, and I didn't know what to do about that.
Log 5 plus log x plus 10 minus 1 is equal to log 21x minus 20 minus log. This is simple only, na? Okay.
We're not supposed to take cases for this.
No, why you want to take cases?
Okay.
What?
Okay, then I got it.
Yeah, minus 1, what will you write? You'll write minus log 10.
I got it.
Yeah. Like how you do. Yeah, like this. Just showing. That's it. Like this only you did, no? Now you try. Now you try 137. You'll get
130.
If it is still hard, then tell me tomorrow. 137 and 138. I have corrected it. No, you can see that.
What is it? I didn't understand what you had written. It
is not 10 square into log x minus 2. It is 10 raised to 2 log x minus 2.
Oh,
10 raised to 2 log x minus 2.
Okay. So can you do 136?
136. Okay.
Yeah, because rest are similar to that.
No, the same thing only, na? So log x 136. Log x minus half log x minus half is equal to log x plus half minus half log x plus 1 by 8. Correct? Okay. Now what I will do is I will bring this 1 by 2's together. Easier for me to do. Because I can make a root direct, na? What I'll do, I'll send this guy here and I'll send this guy here. Okay. So what you get? Log x by x plus half. Why? Because when it went here, it became minus sign. And here it will be half of log x minus half by x plus 1 by 8. Clear? Now the half will take it as square root and then I can remove the log. Okay.
So square on both sides.
Square on both sides. First, let me take the LCM properly. 2x by 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 1 by 8x plus 1 यहाँ पे 8 आएगा ऊपर, so into 4 आएगा ना, correct ना? Here it will be 8, here it will be 2, so 8 will go ऊपर, हाँ 4, correct. Okay. हाँ, then there's no other choice, you have to solve it only.
Okay.
एक can do one thing, ये 4 और ये 2 cancel कर सकते हो, because 2 square becomes 4 ना?
Yeah.
So x square into 8x plus 1 is equal to 4x square plus 4x plus 1 into 2x minus 1. So 8x
2x
cube,
plus 1, 2x minus 1, it will be like 4x square minus 1.
let me see, 8x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 1. Something will cancel here. 8x cube got cancelled. Okay. And this is 4x square. Okay. So with this x square, it became 3x square. So you will get basically 3x square and minus 4x plus 2x minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here the product is minus 3. So I think you can write minus 3, 1. Correct? Become minus 2. So minus 3, 1 means the roots will be
X plus 3, x minus
1 and minus 1 by 3. I change the sign and then divide it by 3.
Okay.
So x is equal to 1. What was your okay, x is equal to 1 and minus 1 by 3. Okay. But ये minus 1 by 3 नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ पे देख गया काम से. बाकी यहाँ. So 1 is the answer. What is the answer?
1 second.
136.
1.
Yeah, that's it. So 1 is the answer. Minus 1 by 3 will neglect.
Okay. And 140, I got one value, but I didn't get the other value.
140. Sorry. X raised to 1 plus log x is equal to 10x. Okay. Now you will apply log on both sides. Okay. So when you apply log on both sides, it will be 1 plus log x into log x. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Is equal to 1 plus log x आएगा. Correct? Clear? Okay. Because 10, na? So 10 log of 10x will be 1 plus log x only. Okay. And this is power. It went here and log x. Okay. Now can I take this to the other side? This to the other side. So it will become minus is equal to 0. So 1 plus log x common. And what will be log x minus?
Log x minus 1.
You might have cancelled something maybe then. Now let's see. Log x is equal to minus 1 and log x is equal to 1. That means x is equal to 10 raised to minus 1. Here x is equal to 10. ऐसा है ना?
Yeah.
Did you apply log both sides?
No.
Then I think you cancel this. Did you cancel it like this? Yesterday I told you also in trigonometry. Don't cancel it.
No, I didn't cancel it either. I didn't apply log only, so I didn't get that only.
Then what did you do?
I took it as x log 10x is equals to 10x, and then like I swapped it. No, that 1 plus log x.
Acha, like x into x log x. Aise?
No, that 1 plus log x, that 1 is like log 10, right? So I took it as
x raised to log 10x. Okay.
Is equals to 10x. So then I swapped it. So it will be 10x log x is equals to 10x raised to 1. So log x is equals to 1 because base is same. So I got 10, but I didn't get -1. 10 raised to -1.
Okay. 10x, what did you get? 10x raised to log x, right?
Huh.
Is
Is
equal
equals
to
to
10x
10x
raised to 1.
1.
Hey, I have told you this in class also. When you do like this, you have to take all the cases. That's happening in 148 question also. When something is happening, when this is okay, log x is equal to 1. That's one root. Plus, you will have to take, I told you 3 cases, remember? So if a raised to m is equal to a raised to n, then m is equal to n. That is also correct. But if a is a number, then it's okay. But if a is a variable, you have to check. Key, see, 1 raised to any number are same.
Huh.
Okay. -1 raised to even numbers will be same.
Huh.
Then 0 raised to something is also
Huh.
same. So you'll have to check that part. So Abhi, if you take 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 10 raised to -1. Now you have to check if it is satisfying. So we put 10 raised to -1. So okay, so this is 1 raised to 1. So if you put 10 raised to -1,
Oh.
1 minus 1 is equal to 1. हाँ, वो satisfy हो रहा है, correct. Then you have to check if 10x is equal to -1. So x is equal to minus half. But that will violate the logarithm. So I'm not taking that. Remember? Then 0. X is 0. That is also violating this. So Penta.
Huh.
That's why you missed one value. So your method is also correct. You have to think, but this base can also be 1 now. To make it equal. Because 1 raised to any power, these 3 conditions you have to remember. If the base is any variable.
Okay.
Same thing. Just check your classroom notes. Or otherwise, I'll send that question 148. How we solved it in class. I can send that. I have it. Okay. Your classroom notes are messy, then I can send it. I have sent logarithm notes. Oh no, that part I have not sent. I think. Okay, I'll send that also. Okay.
One second.
But I've told you before one thing very clearly. If it is x raised to any variable or variable raised to variable, always apply log on both sides. That will make your work easier. Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, also I told you, when you take log x raised to 1 plus log x, okay, to take it outside, we should be very sure what is happening with this. You remember? You cannot simply take that power and keep it left side. Okay?
Yeah.
But here we know x is positive. That means here also positive. So this is also positive. Achha, then okay. But suppose you're losing something like log x square. That too we cannot put it outside. You remember one question? Worksheet, it lost values. You lost one value. Here it will not lose because you know x is also positive. So then done. No problem.
Okay.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, try this. Your method is also correct, but just remember that, okay? What I said. Are you getting the hang? First of all, you will play with pi or pi by 2?
Pi.
Very good. And this you will write pi minus pi by 5. And this you will write pi minus 2 pi by 5. So ideally you will get like this. Sine pi by 5 ka 2 बार आएगा. Or sine 2 pi by 5 also 2 times it will come. So I can put a square. Then see, as such, Pi by 5 is how much?
9.
36, no?
Yeah.
Okay, sine 36. This is 72. So I told you, maximum always try to play with this angles. Sine 18 and cos 36 always. This is anyway, okay. This is cos 8. This is all the opposite values actually speaking. You can put the value as I said already. But if you want to play with this, you can do one more thing to this step. What I did was like this. Now what is 2 sine? Cos of the difference. Correct, no? Cos of difference. So cos of difference, cos pi by 5 minus cos of sum, which is 3 pi by 5 whole square. Now, pi by 5, cos pi by 5 we know. Okay, because it is cos 36. That only I wanted. But what is this angle? 36 3s are 108, I think. So basically, this is 90 plus 18.
So sine.
Correct. So sine 18 aega. So this is like asking cos 36 minus sine 18. See, if there is a chance to make it in cos and sine, always make it because it is simpler. The other one is root of 10 minus 2 root 5. So if there is a chance to make it in sine 18 and cos 36, always do that. You remember cos 36 value? Root 5?
Plus 1 by 4.
Correct. Minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. So root 5 by 4 will cancel out. You will get 1 by 4 ka whole square, which is 1 by 16. And 1 by 16 4s are 1 by 64.
One second.
Yeah.
One by 16, right?
What happened?
So how 1 by 64?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, correct. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 ka square aega andar, na? Correct. Yeah, 1 by 16. Correct. Good. My bad. Okay. So, next one. I always told you, whenever there is squares, क्या करना है? Cos a plus b into cos a minus b or sin a plus b into sin minus b. But I have not taught you cos square plus cos square. So what will you do?
Convert 1 into sine.
Correct. Now, which two you think will be easy for difference and sum? Which one? अपने हिसाब से what do you feel?
Alpha plus 120 alpha.
Just in front of him, even though it was a hard length delivery, showing that this will.
Sorry for that. So which one will you combine?
Alpha plus 120 alpha minus 120.
That's it. So make one cos square into sin square and try.
Okay.
Either you can make this sin square or this sin square. That is totally up to you. Okay. Because anyway cos a plus b into a minus b आएगा and cos के अंदर negative भी positive हो जाता है तो that doesn't matter. So which one you're taking as sin square? I'll also take the same.
That alpha plus 120.
Okay. A and this is B. A plus B क्या आएगा? 2 alpha. And A minus B cos 240 आता है ना?
Multiply and divide by 2.
Why?
Cos.
नहीं 240 का value you know.
Oh.
Yeah. 180 plus 60. So cos 180 plus 60 is what? Minus cos 60. Minus cos 60 means minus half. So 1 plus cos square alpha minus half into cos 2 alpha. Now you tell me what will you do? Which one you will convert
Take
into?
Oh.
Because somewhere there is a cos square also and there is a cos 2 alpha. So what will you do to the cos 2 alpha?
2 cos square alpha.
Correct. Minus 1. Correct. So see, cos square is getting cancelled. So 1 plus half आएगा 3 by 2. Cos square तो cancel हो गया. You get cos square minus cos square. Clear? Okay. Okay, just seeing this, tell me what is the idea behind it, and then that's it. Then we'll go to trigonometry, conditional identity.
So how do I do it?
See this here, what all angles are there?
3A.
3A and A. Here also 3A and A. So what should I do to this? You tell me.
Plus minus.
Wait.
I have to convert it
A, I'll
into
write it
sine
as
and cos.
3A plus A. And tan A, I will write it as?
3A minus A.
Now you see what happens. It's got you'll अपने आप understand when you expand it and take LCM. Okay. So tan A plus B, tan 3A plus tan A by 1 plus tan 3A into tan A. Here tan plus tan 3A minus tan A into 1 minus tan 3A into tan A. Correct?
Yeah.
Now see, इसका LCM क्या है? It's A plus B into A minus B form. So what is the LCM of this? 1 minus
tan square
3A into tan. Wait है इधर cancel करने के लिए बैठा है इधर. Getting? And then you just numerator part you see and see if you can get that. Numerator means this into this and this into this. Denominator तो cancel हो गया इसके साथ. Okay. Understood?
हाँ.
Okay. तो थोड़ा है वो that you have to see and understand.
Sir, I got tan 3a, but I got it like minus 2
Tan
tan.
3a minus you got tan square 3a into tan a plus tan 3a. tan 3a तो multiply हो गया tan a
minus tan 3a
tan
tan
3a into tan square a.
हाँ.
Okay. Same thing will happen here also, but थोड़ा उल्टा आएगा. That's all. So tan 3a plus tan square 3a into tan a, which will cancel, minus tan a, which will cancel, minus tan 3a tan square a. So which will cancel? This and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. Correct?
हाँ. हाँ.
So you get 2 tan 3a. 2 tan 3a minus 2 tan 3a
tan square.
tan square हो गया ना? Then 2 tan 3a I'll take common. Okay. So we'll get 1 minus tan square. 1 minus tan c square 1 plus आना चाहिए ना c square के लिए. Did I make a sign mistake? No. Oh, I made a mistake in the formula. You also did that?
Where?
A plus b में इधर minus और a minus b में इधर plus आएगा ना?
हाँ.
You did that. Okay, okay. So I didn't do that. So that's why I can understand what I made a mistake. Okay. So when you do that, यहाँ पे plus आएगा, यहाँ पे plus आएगा. So So this will cancel. This will cancel. Okay. So you'll get, now you're getting 2 tan 3a plus 2 tan 3a into tan square a. If you take 2 tan 3a common, you will get 1 plus tan square a, which is sec square a. Okay.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. I just made a mistake. Okay.
Done.
Now listen very carefully to the next one. It's a very important topic. Conditional identities. So before teaching conditional identities, see sine a plus b plus, and in the notes I've written this formula, sine and cos this. But it is not necessary to memorize it. If you
Sir, I
can.
can't see.
Oh, sorry. So what I'm saying is the formula for sine a plus b plus c and cos a plus b plus c I've given in the notes. So it's not needed to memorize because very rarely questions based on that is coming, and also they don't expect you to by heart it and do those questions. Okay, but definitely they expect you to by heart this. Tan a plus b plus c. That is important. Okay. So if you want to see also how you get it, you can do it also. But now I'm not showing you. I'm just showing you how will you do it. But I'll write the final result. Okay. You can take this as one angle. Okay. So you will take tan A plus tan
B
plus C divided by 1 minus. I can show you also. Tan B plus tan C by 1 minus tan B into tan C. And this whole thing again you will have to do like that. Okay, tan B plus tan C into 1 minus tan A. Sorry, tan B. Tan C. And you'll have to solve the entire thing. Clear?
Yeah.
So you end up getting like this: tan A plus tan B plus tan C ऊपर ऐसे हाँ minus, you know it, huh? Minus tan A, tan B and tan C. Acha, okay, you saw like that ended. Okay. Yeah. So this is numerator, it's easy, no, for you to understand. You'll get this easily, you can understand. Tan A, when you multiply this, you will get tan A into tan B into tan C. Minus आएगा. And tan A plus tan B plus O. And ये तो cancel हो जाएगा. Correct? Yeah. Then you'll get 1 minus tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan SAI. Okay. And like that, there is A plus B plus C plus D, 5, 6 angles, and 4 angles also is important to learn. So there is an easy technique to remember this. So I will prefer you know the technique. It's easier. It will help you a lot. Okay. I say this is the formula for tan A plus B plus C. But I will give you that standard formula which will work for A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C plus D also. 4 angles are there inside. How to do it also. You getting? Okay.
Yeah.
That I'll tell you one thing which we'll go on and when quadratic also it will be useful. So suppose you have a biquartic equation. Well, 4 root, this means 4 root will be there. Okay. So like alpha, beta hoga, gamma hoga, और डेल्टा भी हो सकता है. Okay. Now when I mean S1 means I'm taking the sum of the roots one at a time. So I will show like this sigma alpha. उसका मतलब है a plus b plus gamma plus delta. Okay. Now S2 means I'm taking the sum 2 at a time. So I'll show like this sigma alpha beta. उसका मतलब alpha beta will be there, beta gamma will be there, gamma delta will be there, alpha delta will be there. I think I've taken all the cases. है ना? हाँ, alpha delta is also there. नहीं, alpha beta, alpha gamma is there. Beta के साथ तो तीन हो. Beta delta is also there. Basically. And gamma alpha gamma delta तो delta 3 हो गया, beta भी 3 हो गया, alpha भी 3. You getting? Okay. Now S3 मतलब? Now you tell me.
Alpha, beta, gamma.
Yeah. Like that. So it will be alpha beta gamma plus beta gamma delta.
Alpha, gamma, delta.
And it can be any other combination also. That will you will understand when I take permutation, you know how much it's going to come. That I'll tell you that time. Okay. But now you have to physically think how many possibilities are there. So वैसे you think alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So you can think alpha, beta, gamma I have taken. Then this much I have taken. Then I have taken this. Okay. Like this. Then I think I can take this. I've taken everything, no? One more I have to take. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, delta, gamma. Okay. Then delta, yeah. Then plus delta, alpha, beta. Correct? That's all, no? Because 4 are there, so it's easy. 3 out of 4, there are 3, then you can use a cyclic method and see it. Okay. Now, S4 means it is not sum. Why? Because already there are only 4. So S4 matlab it's a product. When the total number of roots and is 4 and you're taking S4, that means it's product of all the 4. Sigma alpha, right? Pi alpha. It means alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This much is clear?
Yeah.
So if this is clear, then I'll tell you the formula for tan anything. Okay. So like if I say tan theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 and so on. Once if you do complex numbers, I'll prove this for you that day. Okay, you can prove the general thing when using complex numbers. I'll take S1, okay, minus S3 plus S5 minus S7 and so on, divided by 1 minus S2 plus S4 minus S6 and so on. I think you understood the pattern already now. So S ka upar, again there will be sign changes and all the odd sums will be upar with a sign change. Here we'll start with 1. 1 you can imagine as S0. And you'll start with the same pattern of even with a sign change. Now let us see if it is working for tan A plus B plus C. First tan A plus B you can try. You have to stop till 2. Okay? Don't take S3s. So I'll take only S1 in the numerator. Okay? Divided by 1 minus S2. Matlab S1 means sum. A plus tan B. And S2 means product. Because only 2 are there. This is the formula you have studied.
Okay.
Now, tan A plus B plus C kya hoga? So it will be S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Matlab sum minus product, sum of tans into minus product of tans, 1 minus sum taken 2 at a time.
Yeah.
And then there will be one question for this. So that time A plus B plus C plus D. It will be S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 plus
S4
S4 means what? Product.
product. That will be 3
3
at a
at a
time.
time.
And
This means 3 at a time taking the sum. Clear?
Yeah.
Then write it down fast. This you don't need to write it down now.
Okay.
तो quadratic में फिर से आएगा, but for your understanding, I just did that. Okay.
Okay, done.
That's it. Now you understand why the name is conditional identities. Next when I take. So this is the precursor for it. The basic information that you need to know before that.
So if it is S5, then how will it be?
S5.
Huh.
So taken 5 at a time, na? Taking 5 roots at a
Yeah.
time. A plus B plus C plus D plus D आएगा, E आएगा. So tan A, tan B, into tan A into tan B into tan C into tan D into tan E plus tan B into tan C into tan D into tan D into like that it goes.
Yeah.
But for that minimum, you should have 6 roots. Or 6 roots means 6. There should be 6 angles minimum here. Otherwise, if it is only 5 angles, then S5 becomes the product.
Huh.
Okay.
Huh.
Minimum there should be 6. Yeah. So E नहीं F तक होना चाहिए. If E तक ही है, A plus B plus C plus D plus E, then the S5 is the product. Okay.
So if it is only till E, then I have to write S1 minus S3 plus S5 by 1 minus S2 plus S4, and that's it.
That's it.
Okay.
There are only 5 angles. Yeah. Okay. Now conditional. So why we studied this tan plus A plus. If A plus B plus C is n pi matlab it can be 180, it can be 360 and so on. It can be pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, like that. That will be better to make it. Yeah. So it can be pi, it can be 2 pi, it can be 3 pi. If they say ABC are the angles of a triangle, ho gaya pi. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, so I'm taking tan on both sides. If this is case 1, okay, I'm taking tan on both sides. Okay. Now tan A plus B we know S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Now what is tan n pi? I told you sin n pi is always 0. If you remember, I told you that.
So
Right?
0.
Yeah, sin n pi's are always 0, na?
Oh,
So tan n pi's are always
0.
so this can be 0 because the numerator is 0. So S1 minus is equal to S3. So what is S1? It is the sum of tans. And this is the product of tans. So you can write it like this: tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to, very important identity. Solutions of triangle may be बहुत काम आता है. Because there it's A plus B plus C is always 180. So sum of tans is equal to product of tans if A plus B plus C is n pi. Even the converse is true. Okay. Converse is true. Matlab, if I get this equation somewhere, I can tell A plus B plus C should be n pi, not pi. It can be n pi. Then depending on the case or condition, you can make it pi. That's a different thing. But you cannot certify that it is always pi. So if this is equal, it means that A plus B plus C is n pi. That's the meaning of converse is true. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, second case is when A plus B plus C is an odd multiple of pi by 2. I think now you can understand. 2n plus 1 pi by 2 means odd multiple of pi by 2. Now, for odd multiple of pi by 2, what happens to cos?
0.
Yeah, good.
Wonderful.
So tan का cos denominator में आता है, correct? So not defined. Not defined matlab, abhi if I say S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2 is equal to not defined. Not defined when it is possible, when the denominator is 0. Correct, no?
So 1 minus S2 is 0.
Yeah, S2 is equal to 1.
Okay.
1 minus S2 is equal to S2 is equal to 1. So you can write tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is equal to 1. This means A plus B plus C is odd multiple of pi by 2. And converse is also true. Matlab, if you get such an expression, then you can say A plus B plus C is odd multiple of pi by 2. If it is already odd multiple of pi by 2, then this is true. Like that. Clear hai?
Yeah.
Okay, take it down.
Yeah.
And then I'll tell you 4 very important from this. 2 more additional will come in terms of costs. That's it.
Yeah, done.
Now, as an extension to this, I'll just pick it. So now I'm taking this case again in detail. And there is three more identities coming with this. And it is easy to prove and understand also. And remembering very easy, I'll tell you. Okay. But this you will have to remember. Then I think the other four is easy to remember. Okay.
I have to write these.
No, I'll give you a table whole thing.
Okay.
Or you just listen only. Proof and all is there in my notes. That's okay. Proof and all you understand. Obviously, you should know. And that's there in the notes. You just have to write the four identities and how to remember it. Okay. So here, this you remember. Sum of tan is equal to product of tan if a plus b plus c is n pi. Now what I do to this equation is I'm dividing it by tan a, tan b, tan c. Okay. I'm dividing the entire equation by this. So if I'm dividing the entire equation by this, very hard. Okay. See, if I'm dividing the entire equation by tan A, tan B, tan C. Thoda socho, because it's very hard to make you again copy and do it. So what will happen when the first one divides with this? Tan will cancel. Remaining you get 1 by tan B into 1 by tan C. That you can write it as cot B into cot C. Again, it becomes a pattern. Tan B will cancel. So you'll get cot A into cot C plus. Then what you will get? Cot A into
cot A into cot B.
Cot B is equal to 1. So I can write it as sum of cot A. Don't write cot B. Sum of cot A, cot B is 1. Now one more thing. Listen, which I want to tell. I told you sigma alpha beta kya hai? Alpha
S2.
Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. Remember? But even if alpha beta and gamma are the roots, 3 roots are there. I'm just saying. Sigma alpha beta is also similar to like this. Sigma beta gamma. Also similar to sigma alpha gamma. It's the same. It's not that I have a special love for alpha and beta. I'll always write first and second. No. That's what I'm telling. Here, if you write sigma cot A cot B, or you write sigma cot B cot C, or you write sigma cot A cot C is 1, it means the same. Sigma hi karna hai hame. And we know only A, B and C are the angles. We know that before in hand. Okay? It's an expression. Understanding? Okay.
Yeah.
So
that is S2 equals to 1. So it will be
S2 nahi, but it is a S2 of cots is equal to 1. Okay. Thing like that. Clear? Okay.
So that won't be like that won't mean that
What?
That like it is odd multiple of pi by 2, like 1 by odd multiple of pi by 2 because
I have from where I've started here. From here, if this is true, then this and this is also true. Depending on the case and the problem, we'll apply which one I want. So that's what I'm telling. When a plus b plus c is an integral multiple of pi, then these two are true. What is true till now? Sum of tans is equal to product of tans. Okay. Or if I'm playing with cot angles, then S2 is equal to 1. Cot A, cot B plus cot B, cot C plus cot A into cot C is 1. That's it. Condition is the same. A plus B plus C is n pi. I have not put odd multiples of pi by 2 yet. That is for different. That's for tan. If tan ka S2 is 1, then this condition. But if cot of S2 is 1, that means it is still A plus B plus C is n pi. Not clear?
Yeah.
Till here clear. Now I'm playing. Still the condition is same. Otherwise you will. Again, I'm using the same condition. Listen very carefully. Condition is same. But if I divide the entire thing by 2. Okay. Or I'm just telling like this. If it was a plus b plus c is pi, if I divide it by 2, I'll get pi by 2.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ
And then this is what? An odd multiple of
and हाँ pi by 2.
n pi by 2. Okay. Now these 4 conditions that I'm telling, these next 2 conditions, next 3, third and fourth is only applicable if this is
Pi by 2.
no a plus b plus c is pi.
Okay.
Okay, because if it is n pi, then क्या होता है? N pi by 2 होता. Then you will be thinking like n pi by 2. It will be
Yeah.
valid. So it's not. This is not odd multiple. Getting, so I cannot tell I cannot tell like that. That's all. That's the reason. Okay. So I keep it as, yeah. So I keep it like this. A plus b plus c is pi. Next, the next two case. Okay. Now tell me, if these three angles is an odd multiple of pi by 2. You remember their S2 is 1.
हाँ
But what is the angle right now? A by 2, B by 2 and C by 2.
हाँ
Okay. So then I'll write like this. Tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan A by 2 into tan C by 2 is equal to 1. Or I can also write it as sigma tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 is equal to 1. This much clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now again, this equation I divide tan A by 2, tan B by 2 and tan C by 2. Carefully listen. So if I divide the first one by this.
Cot C by 2.
Yeah, cot C by 2. Good, good. So cot C by 2. Then cot
A by 2. Cot B by 2.
Correct. And what will be 1 divided by this? That will be cot A by 2. Cot A by 2. Cot B by 2.
Cot C by 2.
Because entire tan will get inverse all the time. Now, this is like sum is equal to product. So, sum of cot A by 2's is equal to product of cot A by 2's. So this is the third result and this is the fourth result. Now how I remember is very easy. Okay. First I know कि a plus b plus c pi hai. Let us keep it pi now. N pi ka first two is always valid for n pi's. Okay. So sum of tans is equal to
product of tans.
Product of tan. Okay. And cot ka S2 will be 1. Okay. But if when I'm playing with a by 2, this will be completely ulta. That means cot ka nahi, tan ka S2 will be 1.
And sum of cots.
Yeah, and sum of cots and some product of cots will be equal.
Okay.
When I'm playing with a by 2, it will be reversing. Tan and cots roles will reverse. That's how I do it. Here. Yeah. So these 4 are very important. Okay. Okay. Take it down. I'm not telling you take down the formula. But what do you call it? The proof. Just take the formula and what is important. What you need to take down. What you need to remember. What you need to take away.
Done.
Just remind me, I'll give you 3 homework for trigonometry. Yeah, it's not easy, but try it. Okay,
Okay.
it'll make my work a little bit easy. I'll give you that 3 questions. If you need any hint, I'll give you that also, but accordingly, try to do it yourself. Done?
No, 1 second. Yeah, done.
Now, like this type, there are many types. So one is this type. Okay. Then squares ka aega, then beach ka pi by 4, all that we'll do. Now, if a plus b plus c is pi, you have to prove this. Okay. So see what I'm doing it, get the hang of it, and then slowly you can do it yourself. There's a whole exercise in SL only based on this only. Okay. So first I'll combine any two. I'll combine these two. Okay. So sine c plus sine d is sine c plus d by 2 into 2 sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2.
Cos C minus D by 2.
Sine a plus b आएगा. Correct? Into cos.
Cos A
Because
minus B.
difference by 2 means it will be like this. Okay. This much clear?
Yeah.
Now, here it is showing 2c. Okay. But you can do one thing.
2 sin C cos A.
Very good, excellent. Arey wow. 2 sine c cos c. Okay. Then you can think like this: a plus b is pi minus c. Correct, na? A plus b is, you can think less, pi minus c. So what is 180 sine 180 minus theta? Sine theta itself. So iske badle I'll write 2 sine c cos a minus b plus 2 sine c cos c. Now what can I take common?
2 sin C.
Correct. So 2 sine c cos a minus b. Okay.
Cos
Now
C cos C minus, no, plus cos
pi
C.
minus a plus b. Correct. Now cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Okay. So what will I put? I'll put a minus here and cos a plus b. Till here, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you know direct formula. Cos a minus b minus cos a plus b is 2 sine a sine b. 2 sine a sine b का formula है वो cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So
Yeah.
sine c into 2 sine a sine b. So you will get 4 sine a. These identities sometimes will really help you in solution of triangle. That we'll see that kind. Okay. If you try to do this, next one try to think. I'll give you. Now you got the hang of it now, how you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're done.
Try to do this. So here everything is a plus b. Here, you start with b a plus b. There it was 2a, 2b's. Okay. Yeah. Here it is a plus. So you just imagine if it is given a plus b plus c is pi, then I can imagine this also. And accordingly you try. Which two you're combining? Which two causes you're combining?
A and B.
Okay. Yeah,
That cos c, can I take it as cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2?
No. This is, what did you say? You get like this, no?
Yeah, that done. Cos c, can I take it as cos square c by 2 minus sin square c by 2?
No, you can do like that also. SNE can do like that also. See if you're getting that. But I was thinking to do it like this because see here cos c, I can write it as what? Imagine if it is like this. If it is 2 times c by 2 cos 2 theta, I'll write it in terms of cos. Why? Because sine. Why? Because this is pi by 2 minus c by 2, if you think. Okay. So what is cos 90 minus theta?
Sine.
So 2 sine c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2. Plus, then I'll think cos, ये cos 2 theta hai. So I'll make it in which form? Sine ka form. So I can take something common. So 1 minus 2
Sin square
c by 2. And then I'll take sine c by 2 common here like this. But your method also, I think you should get it. But it will be really tedious. That's all.
Okay.
You're saying like this 2 cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 आएगा 2 plus cos c आएगा.
Yeah.
है ना? Cos a plus b into cos a minus b is 2 cos square a minus sin square b ना? वही अप्लाई किया ना a plus b. A is a by 2, b is b by 2. That will you told na, cos a plus b into cos a minus b.
1 second, I got confused. Can you repeat?
What did you say? Wait. Cos. What were you saying? Tell me again. What did you apply to this? I was thinking you are applying cos a plus b into cos a minus b.
Yeah, I did that.
Achha, okay. That's what I was doing that. I was telling that only. So you have to write cos a plus b into a cos a minus b. So here a is a by 2, I'm saying. And b is b by 2. Oh, that's all. You will get 2 cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos c.
Yeah, how did that come?
Which one?
Cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2.
Cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula.
Huh. Oh, okay. No, I wasn't saying about that.
Acha, then
I was saying that cos 2c by 2, I could take it as cos square theta minus sin square theta.
cos this one.
No, that one. C by
Acha,
cos.
acha, वही किया. Yeah, I took it in sine ka form because this
हाँ,
becomes sine. That's all. Acha, वो बोल.
हाँ,
Then you can take 2 sine c by 2 common. So it will be cos a minus b by 2 minus sine c by 2. Okay. And there is a 1 also. And that will go as
हाँ.
1 plus. And that's okay. That 1 is okay because it's not going to harm us. It is
Okay.
outside. Now you just need to prove this is this. That's it. Now you know sine c by 2 will be, because c by 2 is what? Pi by 2 minus a plus
A
b
plus
by
B
2.
by.
So it will become as cos then.
हाँ.
1 plus 2 sine c by 2 will be cos of difference of two angles
हाँ.
minus cos of sum of those angles. It's a direct formula. 2 sine 2 sine 2 sine A sine B.
हाँ.
हो गया, मिल गया ना? Sine C by 2. 4 is because there is a 2.
अच्छा, okay.
Sine B by 2 is one angle and sine A by 2 is one angle.
Oh,
This is how much? 2 sine A by 2, sine B by 2. Direct formula of 2 sine B, sine B. Sine A sine B. Cos of difference minus cos of sum.
okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Next one. Next one, you can do both by left hand side and right hand side. Okay, I'm just doing today. I'll just do only left hand side. Say so left hand side is hard. Right hand side you can try it. It's there in the notes also when it comes. Just take it as a, not this next day, but next to next day homework. कि left hand side से कैसे करें? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. नहीं, right hand side से. That's easier actually. Left hand side से try now.
Now,
Think how to do this.
now which one?
This one. Left hand side to right hand side.
Okay.
What should I
And
do?
it's homework right hand side to left hand side.
Yeah.
Me too.
Because that is थोड़ा easy and you know different. Which one did you take first? Tell me.
Sin A by 2 plus sin B by 2.
Okay. Okay, we'll go together. What will happen? 2 sin A, some of them will be A plus B by 2. And uska half will be
By 4.
okay. Cos into A minus B by 4 plus sin C by 2 minus 1. Okay. Till here clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you tell me by 4 by 4 by 4. So what can I write? A plus B by 4, pi by 4 minus C by 4.
Yeah.
So I'll write 2 sin pi by 4 minus, sorry. I can take it. Pi minus C by 4. Like this also I can write. Cos A minus B by 4.
I converted that C by 2.
Very good, very good. I'm coming to that. Very good. Excellent. Okay. See, we are somewhere close. Okay. Now, this one, sin C by 2. Yes. How did you convert?
1 minus sin square A plus B by 4.
Matlab?
Oh, acha, 1 second. Okay, that sin C by 2, I took it as cos A plus B by 2. And
Excellent.
then that cos
Okay.
A plus
Good,
B by
good,
2,
good,
I took it
good.
as 1 minus.
Good. So this first, wait, let's go step by step. So it will be cos A plus B by 2 minus 1. Because pi by 2 I took it as
What?
Achha, you took like this, no? Converted like this. Achha, okay, okay. But is there any use?
I don't know.
Because you cannot take anything common, no?
I actually didn't convert that into pi minus C by 4. I just kept it as A plus B by
Listen, my logic. Listen. Okay, you did like this, no? I'm telling, है ना? Okay, now listen my logic. See, ये आंसर पूरा प्रोडक्ट है. तो ये कॉमन आना चाहिए, ये इधर भी आना चाहिए. That means I have to play with C only. I don't want A and B is there. Correct, no?
Yeah.
You have to change, I agree, but not like this. What I was thinking was, why not you make like this? C by 2, can I write it as pi by 2 minus A plus B by 2?
Yeah.
So you will tell me, sine of this will be what?
Cos.
C by 2 के बदले I wrote this. So, अच्छा नहीं.
I said that only.
नहीं. I was thinking, sine C by 2, can I write it as cos? Yeah, sorry, like this end. Sorry, ulta. Okay, yeah, minus 1. So now I have retained that C by 2 and there is cos. Why there is cos, you can think. See, there is 1 minus cos, meaning if I take negative common, if I take a negative common, then there is a 1 minus cos theta. And what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sine square theta by 2. And if I take theta by 2 here, what will happen? You will get your pi minus C by 4. And वो sine में आ जाएगा direct. See? And common ले लिया ना? Understanding?
Yeah, but so how did you take cos as that pi by 2 minus C by 2?
What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. So मैंने उल्टा सोचा. Instead of writing sin C by 2, I wrote it as cos 90 minus theta.
Okay.
Okay? And to apply that formula, I have to, it should be in the form 1 minus cos theta. So I took a negative common and kept like this. Okay?
Okay.
Now 2 sin pi minus C by 4 into cos A minus B by 4 minus 1 minus 1. Sorry, ये minus आना चाहिए ना? So 1 minus cos theta क्या था?
2 sin pi minus C by 4.
So pi minus C by 4 direct I'll write. Now what is common? 2 sine
Fine. Pi
pi
minus c.
c by 4. Okay, so that's almost done. We are almost there. Cos a minus b by 4 minus sine pi minus c by 4. ऐसे मिलेगा ना?
हाँ.
Now what to do? Tell me. Now here it is in a plus b's and here it is in c's. That is not right.
हाँ.
So what will you do to this? Pi
A
by
minus
4 minus c by 4. You will write it as?
a plus b by 4.
Correct. You will write a plus b by 4. See, हमारे convenience के तरफ we change it. That's why. That is called conditional identity. Okay? Okay. Now, have I ever taught you cos and sine का difference formula? No. I have always taught you sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d, cos c plus cos d, cos c minus cos d. Cos and sine I have not taught you at all. तो इसको जबरदस्ती क्या बनाना है साइन को?
Cos.
तो उसके लिए you know it is cos pi by 2 minus ये पूरा एंगल.
हाँ.
Correct?
हाँ.
Okay, we're almost there. So 2 sine pi minus c by 4. Okay, now it is like this is c and this is d. So what is c minus cos d? 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. Correct? Okay. So I will just first to tell me what is the difference c minus d. C minus d, sorry. First let's see what is the sum. Very easy, you can tell me. Sum मतलब pi by 2 होगा minus a by 4 minus b by 4 हाँ minus a by 4 plus b by 4. Correct? See इधर हो. Pi by 2 minus b by 2. Pi by 2 minus b by 2 आएगा.
हाँ.
Sure? Okay. Now d minus c क्या होगा? उल्टा आएगा देख. ये minus a by 4 plus b by 4 आएगा.
हाँ.
Correct. So pi by 2 minus a by 4 minus b by 4 minus a by 4 plus b by 4. So b by 4 cancel. A by 4 add. Okay. It will become pi by 2 minus a by 2. Clear this much?
Yeah.
Now uska difference sum by 2 and all that. So into 2 sine. So iska sum divided by 2. So that is pi minus b by 4 into sine pi minus a by this 2 will become 4. मिल गया ना answer?
So 1 second.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Written?
No.
Okay, write it fast. There are other two which is very similar to this. That also I'll give you as a homework. Another day ka homework. Okay. You can do it easily. Like this club current. We will start doing different times. Next one also you can try easy, but it's little different. That's why I thought I'll take it and then we'll go to squares. Okay.
Done.
Okay. Okay. Now here you can try it. Only difference is there is a minus here.
Minus.
Okay. So club these two together and start.
Yeah.
So this you wrote it as sine, because this will be pi by 2 minus c by 2. Correct? So 2 sine
C by 2.
by 2 into cos a minus b by 2.
By 2.
And cos, I'll write it as 1 minus 2 sine square c by 2. Okay. So you will get 2 sine c by 2 into cos a minus 2, and minus plus, so plus 2 sine square c by 2, and minus 1 aega. That's okay, because there is a minus 1. This minus 1 will not harm you at all.
Yeah.
Now you know the what to take common.
Yeah.
You getting this now? It's easy.
Yeah.
And plus sine c by 2 aega.
Yeah.
And sine c by 2 you can write it as cos a plus b by 2 direct, because it's pi by 2 ka khel hai. So I can write it as cos a plus b by 2 minus 1. And this whole thing is what? It's in 2 sine a sine b form. So that directly you will get 4 sine c by 2 sine b by 2 sine a by 2.
But we're not supposed to get that.
अच्छा प्लस है ना, सॉरी अच्छा प्लस है, आई फॉरगॉट दैट प्लस. सो साइन के बदले कॉस डाल देना. फिनिश्ड. I forgot the sign. That's why there's a minus here, na? So to make this plus, so that this two will change into cos. That's all. That's the difference of this minus then. This becomes 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Na? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Now squares are there. Squares, what is the first logic squares come? See, it's the sum of sine squares. So I have to convert 1 into 1 minus cos square and take it accordingly.
Okay.
Okay. Right. And tell me which one you're taking, which sine square you're converting.
A.
Okay. So I can club, and you're clubbing these two, no? To take 1 minus common. Cos square A minus sine square B plus sine square C. Direct applying formula. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B plus sine square C. Now what will you do?
Sine square C.
What is it? What now? But first tell me, what is A plus B? pi minus.
minus c.
So what is cos 180 minus theta?
Minus
Cos
cos theta.
So minus will become
हाँ,
plus. So 1 plus cos c into cos a minus b. तो basically मुझे cos common लेना है इधर. तो sin square को मैं क्या करूं? 1
1
minus
minus
cos square. And this 1 and 1 will add up to 2. And that 2 is there silently sitting there. So
So
two-
can you go up?
Yeah.
Okay. So if I take sine square c as like c is basically pi minus a plus b. So if I take it as
it will be sin square a plus b.
हाँ,
क्या common लेंगे इधर?
and then 1 minus cos square.
Then you can do that. That's the same thing only what you're doing.
Yeah.
You're just masking c as a plus b. That's all. Same. So I'll take cos c common. So I'll get cos a minus b minus cos c. Now cos c we know it is minus of cos a plus b. Because c is pi minus. Minus and minus plus. So cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Direct formula. Cos a
Cos b.
cos b. So 2 plus 2 cos a cos b and last with cos c it will get multiplied.
Okay.
इसका sin cos square I'll give you as homework.
Okay.
And this will take time. Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. You're going out anywhere?
Yeah.
When? I'm just asking if
Yeah.
I will not take. I don't mind.
I actually don't know when I'll come back. Like, it'll be around 6 or 7.
And when are you leaving? Morning, early morning.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we'll keep it on Monday.
Okay.
7:30. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.